Hello, welcome to another gorgeous day in Georgetown, Canada. Actually, today it is gorgeous because it's almost 12 or 13 degrees. All the snow on the ground is gone. I can finally get these cars out from where it is. I actually been working on them since yesterday. I just didn't videotape it. I decided I'm going to do it today. And so stay tuned. First up, I'm going to start this MR2 because I'm going to move it to a different location where it will be more accessible for me to work. No battery. Gotta boost it. While the MR2 is getting charged, I'm just gonna start working on the Skyline. Yesterday, I started working on the Skyline and I decided, you know what? I don't know when was the last time those spark plugs were changed. These are the fellas. They are NGKR BKR70. It's an iridium spark plug. Now, this does have a Mines ECU, so I believe these spark plugs are specified, so I had to go and buy these exact same spark plugs. While I was doing that, I broke one of these coil pack connectors. How the hell I'm supposed to connect this and get any kind of spark out of it? So I reached out to GTR Canada, that group, and Tyler. I actually bought parts from him before, so I also private messaged him, and he happened to have one of these guys handy. So it is basically the whole coil pack connector harness, and he gave it to me for 10 bucks. I'm not gonna complain. I paid him without a question. This harness, again, the problem is one of the clip is broken, but I just need one good clip from any of the other 5 to work on it. So that's what I'm gonna do. And this RB20DET, it takes the same oil filter as a Z32. NA or twin turbo, doesn't matter, they're all the same oil filters. You can go with that. Funny enough, you can also take the same oil filter from a BQ motor, VQ35 or VQ40, because right now the oil filter I'm using is a leftover oil filter from my Nissan Xterra days, which was a VQ40DE, and apparently they all have the same filter size. So you can practically go to your local hardware store or local auto parts store and get an oil filter for this car. For the oil itself, I'm not doing anything crazy. I'm just going with the Mobil one 1030. Just a regular synthetic oil. It's not actually a full synthetic, it's a synthetic blend. If I'm wrong, leave it in the comment section. I would like to know, because what I have been told is it's not a full synthetic, it's a synthetic blend. Anyway, I'm going to use this, and I'm going to use my favorite local heavy duty oil stabilizer. This, I can talk days with this product. It's one of the best products you can use on your older vehicle. It could be JDM, European, domestic, doesn't matter. This is a fantastic product. It does a wonderful job. All right, stay tuned. Brakes are spongy. But I don't know. I am not pushing it that hard. I'm shifting at I think the highest I went was 4 grand, and the turbos are spooling in. But at this point, I don't want to push any more than that because the car hasn't been driven for a long time. Yeah, I'm okay. It's nowhere close to the Z. So at 4th gear, 65 kilometers, 2300 RPM. Good. Now I do need a clutch, I told you guys earlier. Die, rabbit. Okay. The brakes are not good. Actually, I don't know if I even want to go here. The brakes. oil pressure seems low, and also it doesn't respond as much as anybody else. Like the turbo, everything is working well, but the oil pressure does not respond. It could be due to because I have the oil pressure, engine. It could be because all the bypasses that I have on the engine, external oil cooler and then oil filter relocation, could be because of that. I hope it's not the other reason, which is the oil pump going. And on these RBs, the oil pump is, it's not their strong suit. On the other hand, I also have this footrest here, right here. And it becomes an issue with the clutch. I'm gonna take this off. I think I can use that extra space. The transmission, it feels, especially the synchros in the transmission feels a little clunky. I have a feeling it's low on oil or it has the wrong oil. So I'll try to put the right transmission oil in it. And the next thing I'll do is I'll change the diff oil too. I have a lot of diff oil. And I'll get rid of these two fenders, put the new fenders in that I just got primed, and let's see what else it needs for safety. Stay tuned, hit the subscribe button and the bell notification,